How to force your WordPress site to be secure with HTTPS. Are you looking to move WordPress from HTTP to HTTPS and install and force your site to be secured? This video will show you how to properly move WordPress from HTTP to HTTPS. Your site should have already configured an HTTPS server for this to work. To check if you can change your site from HTTP to HTTPS, just try to enter into the address bar HTTPS and your domain name. If the site is OK and you do not see a message on your browser about the SSL certificate, then it means you can proceed with this video. If you do not see your site, you need to contact the hosting company and tell you to enable the HTTPS protocol for your WordPress. What is HTTPS? HTTPS, or Secure HTTP, is an encryption method that secures the connection between user browser and your server. This makes it harder for hackers to eavesdrop on the connection. So first of all, open your browser and enter into your WordPress administration panel. Write your domain /wp admin and log in with your username and password. On the administration panel, go with the cursor over Settings and click on General. Change from WordPress address and site URL HTTP to HTTPS. After this, click Save Changes from the bottom. After you save the changes, you will be redirected to the HTTP protocol WordPress administration. You will have to log in again on the WordPress administration panel. But how can you force HTTP to redirect to HTTPS? For this, we will need a plugin. On the administration panel, go with the mouse over Plugins and then Add New. On the search from the right, write Force SSL. When you find the plugin WP Force SSL, click on Install Now. Click Activate. Now you see that Force SSL is activated. You can also disable this if you want. Click Save Changes. The next part of the video is designed for those who want to change HTTP protocol on an active site with lots of articles. Even if you do changes that I showed you, it is possible for some URLs, images, and other stuff not to show correctly on the site. How can you fix this? You need to install a plugin. On the administration panel, go with the mouse over Plugins and then Add New. On the search from the right, write Replace. When you find the plugin Real-Time Find and Replace, click on Install Now. Click Activate. Now go with the mouse over Tools and click on Real-Time Find and Replace. Here, click on Add. On Find, write http:// and on Replace, write https://. After that, click on Update Settings. This plugin will replace all URLs that have HTTP to HTTPS. This way, all links and URLs will be OK. So this is how you force your WordPress site to be redirected to HTTPS. If this was useful, please like, share and subscribe. You can also watch more videos from the right. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.